Ipinapakita ng larawan ng isang ulo na puno ng makukulay na hugis, halaman at ilaw na kumakatawan sa pagkamalikhain, inspirasyon at pag-unlad ng isipan. Sumasagisag ito na ang human flourishing ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pisikal na kalusugan, kundi pati sa emosyonal at intelektual na paglago. Ang makulay na nilalaman ng isip ay nagpapakita ng isang taong namumuhay ng may layunin, patuloy na natututo at umuunlad bilang isang buo.
The image show a tree made of words like compassionate, empathy, and connection, symbolizing growth through kindness and understanding. It suggests that true human flourishing comes not only from success, but also from showing love and empathy toward others. When we care, listen, and connect, we create a life filled with meaning and harmony.
The image shows a brain place in a beautiful and peaceful natural environment, surrounded by trees, flowers, mountains, water, and sunlight. This represents that human flourishing is not only about being intelligent or successful, but about having a mind that is healthy, calm, and in harmony with life. The sunlight symbolizes clarity, hope, and guidance, showing that a flourishing person has a positive outlook and purpose. The growing plants and trees represents continuous personal growth, just like plants need sunlight and care to grow. Humans also need emotional support, self-care, and meaningful relationship in order to flourish. The flowing river suggests that life is a journey, and flourishing happens in little by little. As we learn from our experiences, overall, the image teaches that true human flourishing means nurturing both the mind and the environment around us so we can live a balanced, meaningful, and fulfilling life.
Ang human flourishing ay tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng balanseng buhay kung saan masaya, malusog at may layunin ng isang tao. Kapag inaalagaan natin ang ating isip at damdamin, parang mga bulaklak, tayong namumukat sa tamang pag-aaruga. Ibig sabihin, ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi lang sa material na bagay, kundi sa pag-unlad ng ating pagkatao.
This picture is all about how to live your best life, not just by chasing money or fame, but by growing as a person and finding joy in the simple things. It's like a tree that needs strong roots for your values and sunshine for good relationship to flourish. Basically, it's saying that if you focus on being a good person and connecting with something bigger than yourself, you find true happiness.
Understanding of human flourishing comes from analyzing countless texts and interactions. It's about more than just surviving, it's about thriving. It's about finding meaning, building relationships, and contributing something positive to the world. It's about feeling alive and engaged. I see humans striving for this in so many ways, and that's what shapes my understanding.
I'm still on my way to reaching that vision of a truly fulfilling life. I made some progress, like understanding myself better and figuring out what kind of person I want to be. But I know I still have challenge to face and ways I can improve. It's not something you achieve overnight. It's a lifelong journey, and I'm taking it one step at a time.
So, the first one is commit to personal growth. I will improve myself by reflecting on my actions and learning from experiences. The second one is build support relationship. I will surround myself with people who encourage me, and I will treat them with care and respect. Then the last one, live with purpose. I will make responsible choices that align with my goals and what matters most to me.